Hello everybody, welcome back to Mogli Goes Fishing. Today we're going to be out of my boat. Going to be a little bit of a slow time because we're still on just a trolling motor, but wait till the end of the video. We're going to have a little surprise for you. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe for more. See you. Keep a little for the dead man in case he comes to town. On the goose. Ooh, that was something big. Some bait fish kind of busting on the top of the water here. Gonna throw the chugging spook lead on. Hydrate. This is a Yuzuri, or not a Yuzuri, but this is a Rapala, and it's pretty damn bright. It's got a little red tail on it. Time for a plastic. This is my new Daiwa rod and reel combo that I picked up. It's a $100 bill. Right in that mid-range, you know. And it's pretty smooth. I'm not complaining about it. I haven't bird nested it really bad yet, but I am also used to casters now. Glad to have a right-handed one again after my canoe incident. We'll not talk about that. This is 6 cents Provoke deep diver. Must be 7 to 10 feet. We're gonna go over here to rock wall if I see a cave. I'm gonna throw into the cave.
Tied on a storm bait shad. It's got weight in it. You know I have to try. Oh no! Dang it! Why the gadget? That was a small dinky one, but man, if you dark, or probably a large small fish. Hello everybody, welcome back to Mogli Goes Fishing. It's a new day on a bit of a boat mission. Maybe by the end of today, I might just have myself a motor for this boat. We're going to troll around for a while. The fellow I'm talking to about a motor isn't off until later today. We'll see if he Ooh, wow, he was right there at the boat. Oh shit. You almost put that hook in my face. That's a bad move. Golly. Followed me right up. There are feisty little things in here. He's fat. Look at him. Followed that all the way up. This is some decent looking small or largemouth. Got a belly on him. Not bad for a little guy. Didn't even make a sound when he hit. Right here next to the boat. The VA crankbases, they'll follow him all the way out. Finally starting to get some action that's kind of consistent now. Put on something fairly normal. This big white Tennessee shad crankbait. Here's another one. Small. Yeah, I'm forcing them in here. Tiny thing. Oh, he came off. It's okay, he's tiny. Oh, someone just hit me. Hmm? Fish on this? No. Stupid Kyle. There it is. Get in the boat. That's what we like to see. Ah, there's one. That's not bad right there. After spending a little while without a fish, Raph will give it away. £1, 6 ounces. 1 pound, 6 ounce. Nice. Oh, I forgot my trolling motor still going. Oh, he popped that just as soon as it hit the water over there. Nice fish. Thank you for playing, buddy. Yes. Worth weighing at last. Well, it's taking me all afternoon. He was right on top of a piece of cover right there. He was waiting for something to happen. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Wait a minute, I got a surprise. Guys, we have a motor for my boat. It's amazing. It's only been a year and a month since I've had a proper motor on the back of my boat. It's great. By the way, my boat is a 1442 and that is a 10 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury. It's a 99 model, which the 25 horsepower Mercury that I had was a 99 model, but it was also a 2-cycle motor, which I think might have went to its destruction and demise. Although I did try to treat it as good as I could, there's no telling who could have abused it before me. But this motor seems to be a good one. It fired right off, even after the guy said it was sitting for a few months even. We had to clean out a dirt dauber nest that got into the weeping hole, or the water outlet on the motor. So after that, it fired right up, started running the water pump, and was just fine. We're gonna give it a birthday, probably do something about the cowl on it, because it's a little bit dinged up. Maybe spray paint it. We might go ahead and send it full camo or something like that. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and start working on it and show you guys what we're gonna do.